Hey guys, it's Trini. Wait a minute. Something doesn't feel right. 1 second. Better. Hey guys, it's Trini here, back with another video. So, lighting is a very important aspect when you record a video. If you don't have good lighting, most likely your footages will look very grainy, it will be unusable, it will be disgusting. I know a lot of people spend hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on a camera, but when they record a video, their footages look crappy. Sorry guys, not to offend anyone here, but most of the time it's down to the lighting. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can improve your lighting. I will help you guys buy some stuff. I will show you guys some cheap way that you guys can do at home to improve your lighting. But before we get started, if you guys have been enjoying my content, please leave me a like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. But let's get into today's video. So the first thing that you can improve the lighting in your video is by using natural daylight. This is great for someone on a budget because you can use natural daylight for free. Everyone likes free stuff, right? So how can you use natural daylight to your advantage? So number one is you obviously got to record it in the morning. You can't record at night. Number two, you got to find a nice and well lit window in your house where the sun hits. You don't want the sun to directly hit the window though, because that would make your lighting looks way too harsh. It would make your video all blown out and make your video all yucky and unusable and disgusting. But that is a great thing about natural daylight. You don't need to invest in any kind of video gear. You need to invest in like a softbox, an aperture light, or even an expensive camera. You can just grab your cell phone, wait till the morning, get that daylight, find that window, and record that first YouTube video that you've been dreaming about. Also, I can't show you the natural daylight because I am recording this video at midnight. And I'm probably gonna edit this video at 1 or 2 in the morning because I want to upload it on Sunday for you guys, on that grind. But I'm sorry, I can't show you that natural lighting. But that is how you guys can improve your lighting for cheap. So the next way you guys can improve your lighting is by obviously investing in some studio light. I invested in 2 softbox lights. They are from Amazon. I actually did a review on them. If you guys haven't seen it, please check it out. I will leave a link up here. These are probably the best purchase I have made for this channel. It gives me so much more control because I can record my video at night now. I can record my video at midnight. I don't have to wait till the morning. I don't have to wait for that perfect sunlight. I can just record whenever I want. Actually, I will show you guys the difference between having a light and not having a light, shine at my face, and see how disgusting the footage without the light will be. I'll be just using the light in my room. Usually these footages, I just throw them away if I somehow record them, but I'm showing you guys this because for demonstration purposes. So here it is. As you can see, this footage does not look good. That's an understatement of the year. This footage looks so shit. You can see how I'm blowing out the screen and the PC back there. I'm just using the light in my room to shine down my face, which is not a good look, This footage is unusable. I hope you guys can see the difference between this footage and the primary footage. You know what? Let's get back to the quality. As you can see, the difference is night and day. That footage will be unusable for anyone in 2020, in 2015, whatever. It's just unusable. Don't use these kind of footages, please. But when you buy lights, I would recommend getting at least 2. If you're on a budget, get 1. Right now, I only have 1 on my face right now because I like this contrasty look more. But I know a lot of people prefer their face to be well lit both sides. That's why you need 2 lights. But that is the importance of why you need good lighting. So we have talked about how to keep our face well lit. So now let's talk about background lighting. Many people neglect background lighting because they don't think it's important for their video. They don't think that background lighting will make the video looks better. Well, they're completely wrong. Background lighting helps your video take it to the next level. It will make it look more professional. You can see this little background lighting right here. I actually got it on Amazon. It's an RGB aperture light, I can change to whatever color I want. So if you guys want to review on that light, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I'll do a review for you guys. But you see, as you can see back here, it's this glow, the background. It makes it look a lot more interesting. It would be more appealing to people. However, you don't want to overdo it, because I've seen some video, it just gets so distracting when people just go too crazy with the background lighting. It just it just takes people attention away from the video, if it's just not good. Okay. But I can show you examples of without the background lighting and how distracting background lighting can be. So here are the footages now. And as you can see right here, the background looks very dark. It looks very plain. It doesn't look as interesting when the light is on. So remember, background lighting. You guys see how distracting that is? It's like having a rave in my freaking room. I know this is an exaggeration, but don't do that. Don't do that. All right, that is a big no-no. All right. As you can see, without the lighting, the background looks pretty plain and boring. It's not as interesting as it is right now. And as you can see, how distracting the background lighting can be. So just don't overdo it. But anyway, this is it for this video. If you guys have been enjoying my content, please leave me a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!